Yo guys, welcome back. Um, Sorry that I'm quiet. I'm just gonna try to keep it down. I don't want my family to hear me make a video. And yeah, I got a haircut again. So yeah, I've been getting haircuts more often now. But I just wanted to make a quick video saying, I hate when these birds don't let me sleep. It's so annoying. You know, like I've made a few videos kind of talking briefly about that, but it's gotten worse. They wake up at like 3 a.m., they start chirping, you know, and yeah, it's just horrible. They start chirping. Sometimes I sleep with the window open because it's just too hot in my room, so I keep it open. Because if I close the window, it's gonna be hard for me to sleep. Oh, and then I keep it open, then they start chirping at like 3 a.m. or whatever. They make those stupid noises. It's so hard to sleep. I hate when birds wake me up. Like, why do they get up so early? At like 3 a.m., you know? Yeah, and I can't sleep and stuff like that. Yeah, that's the worst.